where do you think the future of medical writing is going to go? And where can you see it in the next 5 years? What can happen in the next 10 years? What can happen? What do you think?
Well, I think AI is going to be a very important tool for medical
Okay.
writers. A lot of people say that AI is going to replace medical writing, and I don't think that's going to happen.
Okay.
Calculators have not replaced accountants.
Yeah.
If you need financial planning, you still need to go talk to a person. I mean, there are certain apps out there, there are certain applications out there which seem to take the place of a financial planner to try and help you plan for retirement or college education or anything like that. But people are still people, and people like to communicate with other people. There's a sense of security in having to go speak with someone and ask them about, this is how I'd like to live my financial life. This is how much money I need to put away for college. This is how much money I need to put away for retirement. This is the kind of savings I need in my fixed deposit, etc., etc.